Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn off your sound on BubbleBuzz application. Keep watching the video till the end. To turn off sound on BubbleBuzz, firstly go ahead and launch open your BubbleBuzz application. The home page of BubbleBuzz application will appear on the screen. Click on little gear icon at the bottom left corner of the page. From the pop-up, click on speaker and music icon to turn off sound on BubbleBuzz application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.